If you want to draw professionally, but can't figure out all the processes and techniques, here's a special message for you. Hi, my name's Lillian. I am a professional artist and instructor. Unfortunately, many people believe that drawing is hard and it is a talent that not everyone has. But nothing could be further from the truth. Fortunately, anyone can learn and draw great drawings, because, like any skill, drawing is a skill that can be developed by knowledge and practice. As an art instructor, I've been fortunate to help my students to improve their drawing skill, work with it, and even win rewards in contests. So, I decided to create a course that would help others like you to unlock your full drawing potential with a focus on practical techniques and hands-on exercises to put your new skills into practice and watch your drawings come to life, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills. I know the best proven method to learn how to draw, which focused on the very important concept that lets you draw with ease and fun. The complete drawing course, Beginner to Advanced, was developed to be a fully comprehensive program for learning how to draw in a professional way. It's 8 courses in one, covering everything of the basics including object drawing, figure drawing, perspective, portraiture, landscape, basic drawing techniques, drawing from photos, facial proportions, textures, how to shade and give life to your drawings, and more. I'll walk you through the principles of art and how to apply them to your drawings, as well as how to create the illusion of a third dimension, and more. The complete drawing video course features over 4 hours of HD video, all broken down into 37 total video sessions that are logically sequenced. That is over 240 minutes of video instruction. The course also includes 7 ebooks with the course that combined 45 pages with colored photos and descriptions. But that's not all. When you sign up for my course, you'll also get some amazing bonuses. First, you'll get access to an exclusive art community for course participants where you can share your artwork, get specialized feedback for your drawings if you want, and support alongside your artistic journey. Second, you'll get full training on how to create a strong and attractive artistic composition that dazzles the eyes and applies all the rules and aesthetics of drawing. And third, I'll share with you some secrets on how to use your drawing skills in your life, creative ideas to expand your drawings, and even how to make money from your drawings. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with this masterclass in almost immediately. Even better, the entire package of the 8 courses is worth more than $480. But today, you will get the entire package at a ridiculously low price, and you'll have lifetime access. So, if you want to take your drawing skills to the next level and achieve your artistic dreams, then join my course today. I can't wait to see what you'll create.